In this video, you will see how to put 4 pictures on one page in Word document for printing. As you can see, I have added 4 pictures side by side in Word document and it's very easy. Let's get started. First, go to the Insert tab and under the table, select 2 by 2 table. Now select the table cells and click on Center Align. Now click inside the first cell, go to the Insert tab and under the pictures you will see the option picture from file, or you may see picture from computer here. Just click on it and in the search bar type what you want, the image name. Now click on the search picture and click on insert, so the image will be inserted in the first cell. Notice that this picture size is very large, so you can either resize this picture like this randomly, or you can resize the picture at a specific dimension. Just click on the picture and set the height and width here, for example 4. Now similarly insert pictures into the each cell. However, notice that we have an outer border and the pictures are merging together at the border. So to separate these pictures from merging, just click at the bottom of the picture and change the font size to maybe 3. Then press enter to separate the images from each other. Now to remove this outer border of the table, click on this small square to select the table. Go to the table properties, borders and shadings, and under the borders, select the option none. Make sure you have selected here table and click on OK. And in this way you can put 4 pictures side by side on Word document. Now check out these useful videos shown on screen related to Microsoft Word. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.